What are polynomials? Okay, poly means many, nomials means parts or terms. Parts or terms. Polynomial means many terms. Okay, simply many terms. Okay, what is the definition of polynomial? Polynomial, okay, an algebraic expression, in one variable, only one variable, okay, exponent of variable is a whole number, that means non-negative integer is called a polynomial. Okay, an algebraic expression in one variable only. In this 10th class, one variable. Okay, in your higher education, two variables. Okay, three variables. What are variables? X, Y, Z, A, B, C, like this. These are variables. Okay, an algebraic expression in one variable, exponent of variable is a whole number. Okay, what are whole numbers? Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is the whole numbers. Okay, whole number means there is non-negative integer. Non-negative integer are whole numbers. Okay, both same. Okay, an example, 3x plus 2. Okay, 3x plus 2 means x power 1. 1 means it is a whole number. Okay, whole number means it's a polynomial. Okay, next one, x plus 3. X plus 3 means x power 1. 1 is a whole number. It is also polynomial. Okay, x power minus 2 plus 3. X power minus 2 plus 3 means here exponent of variable is negative. Negative means it is not a polynomial. And x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 5. X to the power of 2 by 3 plus 5. And here power 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is not a whole number. That is not a polynomial. Okay. X to the power of 2 by 3 plus 5 is not a polynomial. Okay. Here algebraic expression means. Okay. Algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Okay, algebraic expression means a combination of algebraic expression, a combination of constants. Constants means like 2, 3, 5, any number. Okay, and variables like x, y, z, a, b, c, alpha, beta, like that. Okay, and operators, like operators means plus, minus, into, divided by. Okay, is called an algebraic expression. Okay, and an example, 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 means 2 is a 2 and 3 are constant numbers. X is a variable, plus is operator. Okay, a combination of constants, variables and operators are called an algebraic expression. Okay, polynomial. Types of polynomials. These two methods. One for based on terms. here based on degree. Okay, based on terms, based on degree. Okay, first based on terms, a polynomial with only one term is called monomial. Okay, a polynomial with only one term is called monomial. Okay, example 5x. Okay, 5x means it's a only single term. Single term is called monomial. And next, second one, binomial. Okay, binomial, a polynomial with two terms. Are called binomial. By means here two. Okay, two terms. Okay, example 2x plus 3 or ax plus b or 5x plus 7. Okay, here two terms. 2x is first term and 3 is second term. Okay, two terms. A polynomial. First, a polynomial with two terms are called binomial. Okay, next, third one, trinomial. Third one is trinomial. Okay, trinomial means tri means three. Okay, tri means three. Okay, a polynomial with three terms. Okay, three terms are called trinomial. Three terms means 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Here 3x square is first term, 5x is second term and 2 is third term. Okay, total number of terms is 3. Okay, a polynomial with 3 terms are called trinomial. First one, single term is monomial, 2 terms binomial and 3 terms, okay, trinomial. Okay, more than 3 terms means it's a suppose 4 terms of polynomial, 5 terms of polynomial, only one monomial, mono and a single. Okay, monomial, binomial and 2 terms, trinomial is 3 terms. Next, based on degree. Based on degree, types of polynomial. First, what is degree? Okay, degree means the highest power of variable in the highest power of variable in P of x is called degree. Okay, for example, x plus 2. Here the highest power of variable are x. In this x, polynomial in x. Okay, degree, highest power of x is 1. Okay, degree is 1. Okay, for example, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c means here no variable is x. Okay, highest power of x or highest power of variable. In the variable x, p of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Here highest power is 2 and that means degree is 2. Okay, degree is 2. Okay, for example, 3x cube plus 5x square plus 6. 3x cube plus 5x square plus 6. Okay, in this highest power of x. Okay, given polynomial p of x equals to 3x cube plus 5x square plus 6. The highest power of x is how much? Here 3. 3 means degree is 3. Okay, same. Let one more example. P of x equals to 5x to the power of 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7. Okay, and here given polynomial p of x equals to 5x to the power of 7 minus 6x to the power of 5 plus 7. The highest power of x, in this highest power of x is 7. highest power of x is 7 means that is degree is 7. Okay, degree is 7. Okay, based on degree, first one, constant polynomial. Constant polynomial, and that means only constant number, 5, 7. Okay, constant polynomial means degree is 0. Okay, if degree is 0, it is a constant polynomial. Okay, constant means 5. 5 means 5 into 1. Suppose 5 number there. Okay, 5 into 1. 5 into 1 means x power 0. Okay, if a to the power of 0 equals to 1, a is not equals to 0. 5 into 1. Okay, 5 into 1 means x to the power of 0. The highest power of x. Here, how much? 0. That is a constant polynomial. Okay, constant polynomial means only number. Okay, only single number, 5, 7, 10, okay, 15, like that. That means if degree is 0, constant polynomial or zero polynomial. Another name is zero polynomial also. Okay, now second one, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means if degree is 1. Okay, if degree is 1, it is a linear polynomial. If degree is 1 means the highest power of x is 1. Okay, example, 5x plus 3. 5x plus 3, ax plus b, or 3x plus 2. Okay, these are examples, etc. Okay, 5x plus 3 means variable is x power 1. Okay, x power 1 means degree is 1. The highest power of x is 1. Okay, that is degree is 1. Next, ax plus b. Ax plus b means here polynomial x, p of x. Okay, ax plus b means, okay, the highest power of x is 1 and degree is 1. If degree is 1, that is a linear polynomial. Okay, 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 means here variable is x. Okay, now highest power of x is 1. Okay, that is degree is 1, a linear polynomial. Now third one. Okay, constant over, linear polynomial over. Okay. Next, quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic polynomial means if degree is 2. Okay, example, 3x square plus 5x plus 2, or 3x square plus 2, or 5x square plus 7. Okay, here 3x square plus 5x plus 2, x power 2. X power 2 means the highest power of x is 2. Okay, that is degree is 2. If degree is 2, that is a quadratic polynomial. In the second example, 3x square plus 2, the highest power of variable is 2. Okay, that is degree is 2. If degree is 2, that is a quadratic polynomial. And 5x square plus 2, so 5x square plus 7, x power 2. X power 2 means degree is 2. If degree is 2, that is a quadratic polynomial. And fourth one, cubic polynomial. Okay, cubic polynomial, degree is 3. Okay, if degree is 3, that is a cubic polynomial. Example, p of x equals to 5x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 2. Okay, example, here the highest power of variable or x is 3. Okay, if degree is 3, that is cubic polynomial. Okay, and degree is 4. If degree is 4, quadratic polynomial. Then a biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. If degree is 4. Okay. If degree is 4, okay. In your 10th class, only cubic polynomial enough. Okay, in your higher classes, quadratic polynomial, that is biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial means if degree is 4. Degree is 4 means, example, 5x power 4 plus 6x cube plus 5x square plus 6x plus 7, for example. Okay, in this highest power of variable is 4, x power 4. If x power 4, that is degree is 4. Degree is 4 means quantic polynomial. Quantic means biquadratic. Quantic or biquadratic polynomial. And one more, quintic polynomial. Quintic polynomial. Okay, quintic polynomial is degree is 5. If degree is 5, a polynomial, okay, having degree is 5, that is quintic polynomial. Okay, example, p of x equals to 5x to the power of 5 plus 6x power 4 plus 7x cube, for example. Okay, if degree is 5, degree means the highest power of x in p of x is 5, that is degree is 5. If degree is 5, that is quintic polynomial. Okay, and listen, types of polynomials. First, types of polynomials based on terms and based on degree. Okay, based on terms, okay, and based on degree. Degree means the highest power of variable in p of x is called degree. Okay, based on terms, here three types. First one is monomial, and second one is binomial, third one is trinomial. Mono and one term, one. Okay, a polynomial with one term is called monomial. Example, 5x, 7x, like that. Okay, binomial means, okay, a polynomial with two terms, by and two. Okay, a polynomial with two terms are called binomial. Example, 2x plus 3. Here 2x is single first term, 3 is second term. Okay, next trinomial, tri and 3. 3 means a polynomial with three terms are called trinomial. Example, 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Okay, here 3x square is first term, 5x is second term, and 2 is third term. And based on degree, okay, first one, constant polynomial. Constant polynomial means, or another name is zero polynomial. Only constant number. If degree is 0, okay, if degree is 0, that is a constant or zero polynomial. And linear polynomial, if degree a polynomial with a degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Okay, that is example, 5x plus 3, x power 1, that is the highest power of x is 1, that is a linear polynomial. And quadratic polynomial, a polynomial with a degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, example, 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Here highest power of x is 2. Okay, that is a degree is 2, that is a quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means if degree is 3. Okay, if degree is a polynomial with a degree is 3 is called cubic polynomial. Example, 5x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 2. Okay, the highest power of x is 3, that is cubic polynomial. Okay, enough. This is 10th class, only 1, 2, 3, 4. Only cubic polynomial enough. In your higher education after 10th, quantic polynomial and quintic polynomial. Okay. Zero of a polynomial. Okay. If p of x is a polynomial in one variable and p of k equals to 0, then k is called zero of a polynomial. Okay, if p of x is a polynomial in one variable and p of k equals to 0, p of k equals to 0, then k is called zero of a polynomial. Example, p of x equals to x square minus 4. Suppose if x equals to 2, the p of 2 equals to, okay, 2 square minus 4. 2 square is 4, minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 cancel 0, and p of 2 equals to 0. That means 2 is a 0 of a polynomial. Okay, suppose p of minus 2 means minus 2 whole to the power of 2 minus 4. Minus 2 whole square means that is 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 cancel 0. The p of minus 2 equals to 0. Then minus 2 is a 0 of a polynomial. Here p of 2 equals to 0 and p of minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore 2 and minus 2 are the zeros of a given polynomial. Okay, 0 of a polynomial means p of x is a polynomial in one variable only. Okay, and p of k equals to 0, and p of k means the result is 0, then k is called 0 of a polynomial. Okay, suppose p of x equals to x square minus 4, x equals to 2. For example, p of 2 equals to 2 square minus 4. Okay, 4 minus 4, okay, 0. P of 2 equals to 0. And the answer is 0, that is the 0 of a polynomial. 2 is a 0 of a polynomial. P of minus 2 equals to minus 2 whole square minus 4. Okay, minus 2 whole square is 4 minus 4. Okay, 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, p of minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, the answer should be 0, and that is 2 and minus 2 are the zeros of a given polynomial. Okay, next. Okay, exercise 3.1, first question. If p of x equals to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. Okay, in this first question, coefficient of x to the power of 5. Okay, coefficient of x to the power of 5 means here first one is coefficient of x to the power of 7, second one is coefficient of x power 5, third one is coefficient of x, and last one is constant term. Okay, here coefficient of x power 5 means its product. Okay, before value. Okay, the coefficient of x power 5 value is minus 6. Okay, coefficient of x to the power of 5 value is minus 6. And second question. Okay, degree of p of x. Degree of p of x. Degree means the highest power of x. The highest power of x in this given polynomial, total 4 terms. Okay, total 4 terms. In first term 5x power 7, the highest power here. The power of x is 7. Second term, okay, minus 6 x to the power of 5. The power of x is 5. Third term is plus 7x. The x power is 1. Last one is constant term. Constant term means, okay, x power 0. The highest power of x is how much? 7. Degree is 7. Okay. Now third question. Okay. Constant term. Okay, constant term. Question number 3 is constant term. Okay, constant total number of terms for constant term is, okay, without x. Okay, without x value is how much? Minus 6. Okay, constant term is minus 6. Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2, true or false type questions. Okay, true or false type questions. Question number 1. Okay, the degree of the polynomial. The degree of the polynomial root 2 x to the power of root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. Okay, it is true or false type questions, and reason justify your answer. The degree of the polynomial, okay, the degree of the polynomial root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. Okay, if degree is root 2 given, it is true or false. So what is degree? Degree means the highest power of x is how much? 2. Okay, and therefore it is false. Okay, because the degree of given polynomial is 2 only, not root 2. Okay, that because it is false. Okay, because the degree of given polynomial, degree means the highest power of x, highest power of x is 2. Okay, but what is given? Root 2 is given. Okay, root 2 means actually root 2 means the coefficient of x square. Root 2 is the coefficient of x square. But what is given? Degree of the given polynomial, root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. Okay, degree means the highest power of x. Here the highest power of x is 2. But what is given? Root 2 is given. False, because the degree of given polynomial is 2. Coefficient of x square in the polynomial p of x equals to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7 is 2. Okay, is it true or false? Okay, the coefficient of what is given? The coefficient of x square is given. Okay, the coefficient of x square is how much in given polynomial? Minus 4. Here this one. Okay, this is okay. The coefficient of x square is minus 4. But what is given? 2 is given. So it is false, because the coefficient of x square is how much here in given polynomial? Minus 4. But what is given? 2 is given. Therefore it is false. Okay, because the coefficient of x square is minus 4. Okay, not 2. Okay, next. The degree of a constant term is 0. Okay, the degree, a constant term means, for example, 5. 5 is a constant term. Okay, constant number. 5 means 5 into 1. Okay, 5 means 5 into 1. 1 means, okay, write in variable x power 0. If x power 0, answer will be 1. Okay, 5 into 1. Okay, 5 into 1. 5 into x to the power of 0. Okay, here what is given? Degree. Degree means highest power of x. Okay, the highest power of x equals to how much? 0. Okay, it is true. Okay, true, because the degree of a constant term, okay, always 0. Okay, and next, fourth question. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to x square minus 5x plus 6 whole power minus 1. Okay, suppose a power minus 1 equals to 1 by a, x power minus 1 equals to 1 by x. That means 1 by a equals to a power minus 1. 1 by x equals to x power minus 1. Okay, what is a polynomial? A polynomial is, okay, the exponent of variable is a whole number, but here minus 1 is not a whole number. Okay, that's why given polynomial, not a given 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is not a polynomial. Okay, not a quadratic polynomial, or polynomial, not a polynomial. Okay, that means given polynomial by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. It is true or false? Okay, because it is false. Okay, because exponent of variable is a whole number, but here 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to x square minus 5x plus 6 whole power minus 1. Minus 1 is not a polynomial. That's why it is false. Now fifth one, the degree of a polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it. Okay, what is degree? Degree is the highest power of x in polynomial p of x. But what is given in this question? The degree of a polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms. Okay, it is false because the degree is highest power of x in p of x, not 1 more than the number of terms in. Okay, not relation. Okay, number of terms. Degree means if degree is the highest power of x in p of x. Okay, it is false. Okay, not relation. If p of t equals to t cube minus 1, find the values of p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 0, p of 2 and p of minus 2. Okay, alright, first given polynomial. Okay, given polynomial p of t equals to t cube minus 1. Okay, first question, p of 1. P of 1 means, okay, put x equals to 1. Sorry, here t equals to 1. Sorry, p of t equals to t cube minus 1. Okay, p of 1 means t equals to 1. P of 1 equals to 1 cube minus 1. That is 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. Okay, 1 minus 1. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 0. Next, p of minus 1. P of minus 1 means here in the variable t. Okay, if t equals to minus 1, p of minus 1, substituting this value in given polynomial, minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 1 into 1 into 1 means 1. Okay, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Third question, p of 0. P of 0 means t equals to 0. Okay, given polynomial in the variable t. Okay, then t equals to 0. Okay, p of 0. Okay, now given polynomial t cube minus 1, but t equals to 0. 0 cube minus 1. 0 cube is 0 into 0 into 0. Okay, that is 0. Minus 1. Answer is minus 1. Next one is p of 2. P of 2 means t equals to 2. Okay, if t equals to 2, p of 2 equals to, okay, substitute this value. Okay, 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Then last question is p of minus 2. P of minus 2 means t equals to minus 2. Okay, p of minus 2 equals to, substitute this value instead of t equals to minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube minus 1. Minus 2 whole cube means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 1. Equals to minus 2, p of minus 2 equals to minus 2 whole cube minus 1. Minus 2 whole cube means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. That is minus 8. And next term is minus 1. Minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9. Okay. P of 1 equals to 0. P of minus 1 equals to minus 2. P of 0 equals to minus 1. P of 2 equals to 7. And P of minus 2 equals to minus 9. Okay. Here 0 of the polynomial is how much? 1 is a 0 of a polynomial. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 16. Okay, check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros. Okay, First, given polynomial. Okay, given polynomial p of x equals to x to the power of minus 16. Okay, check whether minus 2 and 200. Okay, put x equals to minus 2. Okay, put x equals to minus 2. P of minus 2. Okay, substituting this value in x power 4 minus 16. Okay, substitute with the bracket minus 2 whole power 4. Okay, minus 16. Minus 2 whole power 4 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, that is 16 minus, second term is minus 16. Plus 16 minus 16, cancel, 0. Okay, and one more 0 is 2. If x equals to 2, okay, p of 2 equals to, same, substitute this value, okay, x equals to 2, okay, substitute with the bracket also, 2 to the power of 4 minus 16, 2 to the power of 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, minus 16, plus 16 minus 16, cancel, 0, and that means p of minus 2 equals to 0 and p of 2 equals to 0. The result will be 0. So that means minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. X power 4 minus 16. Check whether 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial p of x when p of x equals to x square minus x minus 6. Okay, first given polynomial. Okay, given polynomial p of x equals to x square minus x minus 6. It is a quadratic polynomial. X square minus x minus 6 is. Okay, 3 and minus 2 are the zeros, and put x equals to 3. Okay, p of 3. Okay, substituting instead of x equals to 3. Okay, 3 square minus 3 minus 6. Substitute x equals to 3. Okay, here x square means 3 square, minus x means 3, minus 6. Okay, 3 square is 3 into 3, 9, minus 3, minus 6, 9, minus 3, minus 6 is minus 9. Okay, plus 9, minus 9, cancel, that is 0. Okay, next 0 is minus 2. If x equals to minus 2, now given polynomial p of x equals to x square minus x minus 6. Okay, if x, substituting x equals to minus 2 in polynomial p of x, okay, minus 2 whole square, okay, substitute with the bracket also, minus 2 whole square minus x, but x equals to minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2, okay, plus 4. Okay, minus into minus, plus 2, minus 6. 4 plus 2, okay, 6, minus 6, plus 6, minus 6, cancel, 0. And p of 3 equals to 0, p of minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial p of x equals to x square minus x minus 6.